Hi guys. Well, I got the timing chain in. Sorry I'm not good at filming while I'm doing the job. I can concentrate on getting it done if I'm not. So, got the timing chain in. The new distributor. The other one, the vacuum advance wasn't working, so now I got good vacuum. I timed it. So now I got a new chain, new gears, new distributor, new fuel pump, rebuilt carburetor. Runs good. The noise you're hearing now is the alternator. Yeah, it's the bearing in the alternator. It's on its way out, but it's okay for now. Just insured it for 6 months. Going to take it out on the road here. So there she is. She's running a lot better now. Yeah, I'm happy. So we'll talk to you guys a little later. Bye.